there for you. 'Cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, was it meant for me?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sissy, and I'm so excited to be doing this video today because look at my hair. I got the spring twist, or a fluffy twist, or a bomb twist. There's so many different names, but yeah, I just installed the spring twist, and I'm just so excited. Don't mind my hair because I think it's uneven. I just threw it up like this for the purpose of the video because I didn't want it like in my face, but I'm just so excited, you guys. So I got the color 1B350, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I installed it and how I got them this long, because you know usually they're like about like right here, but they're really long. Let me stand up and show you. And when you stretch it, like, it stretches so long, and it's so bouncy. Like when you stretch it, it just like bounces back, which is why they call it spring twist, I guess. Like, I don't know. But a company called Beyond Beauty on Amazon sent me the hair. They sent me 3 packs, and I used like all 3 packs of hair. They're on Amazon, and y'all, the hair is so light. It's like super light. Like it looks like heavy. It looks like it's heavy, and looks like it's like a whole bunch of hair, but it's really not, and it's super light and super soft, and I just love it. And this was so easy to do. Like, in my opinion, this was easier than box braids. So it did take me a while to do this, but you know, I was taking breaks, stopping. I have a 1-year-old, so couldn't just straight do my hair. I had to like tend to her and stuff like that. So I started at like 12 p.m. and I finished at like 1 a.m. Yeah, but if I was to consistently do this hair, it probably would have took me maybe like 6 or 7 hours. I don't know, but it was definitely worth it. Like, it just, look how pretty they are. Tell me, like, do you guys like this hair? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and just show you how I installed the hair. So right here, I'm just showing you, this is how it's looking so far with 2 packs of hair installed. And here I'm just showing you, this is how I do the back of my hair, because I know a lot of people wonder, like, how do people braid the back of their hair? So this is what I do. I use 2 mirrors, the little one I'm holding, and then the big mirror in the back to see if my parts are straight. And here I'm about to show you how I install the twist. Okay, so after I part the hair, I'm going to twist it. And now I'm taking 1 curl, and I'm going to fluff it out. You want to make sure you fluff it out because that gives it the fluffy look. So I'm just fluffing it out, and then I'm going to split that in half. Okay, and after I split that in half, I take 1 of the pieces and split it in half again, and that's going to be 1 twist. See, I just overlap it. So that's how I get it to be long. And then I'm just basically doing a box braid, and my hair is acting as the 3rd strand. So I'll just braid down a little bit, and then I'm going to take a clip and clip it onto my braid so it doesn't slip or wrap around. And then I'm going to take my hair and add gem onto my hair and the weave hair, and I'm going to begin to twist it. And now I'm twisting it like really tight so my hair doesn't come out. And after I twist past my hair, I will start to just do a regular loose 2-strand twist. So after I'm done twisting, I just cut off any straggly ends that need to be cut. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the rest of my hair. And also in the back, I just used one curl for one twist instead of splitting it. I started splitting it because I was running out of hair. And I didn't want it to be too bulky, so that is why I started splitting the hair in half and just using one half of the curl for one twist. If you want this hair, I will put the link in the description box below. Again, this was from Beyond Beauty on Amazon. They sent me this hair, and it's amazing. And no, they didn't tell me to say this. They didn't tell me, you know, to just rave about the hair, but it is seriously just amazing. Y'all, like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. And this color is like perfect for the fall because it's like copper and brown and everything like mixed together. I hope you guys learned how to install it. Like, it is so easy, y'all. Like, it's really easy. Let me know, do you want updates on this hair or more information about this hair? Let me know any questions you have below and I will answer them. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.